Hi, my name is Simon Liu and I'm a residential realtor with Happy Homes Vancouver and Keller Realty VanCentral in Vancouver, BC. Today, we're going to do a video to show you how to change an old thermostat with one of these new modern ones. So let's begin. For this simple project, we're going to need some simple tools. We have the screwdriver just to take it off the wall and for installation. What we have here is a test light. This tells us if there's electricity going to the unit and we don't want to play with anything that has live wires. We have a knife for cutting any paint so we don't rip the paint off the walls. This is an electrical plier. If we need to strip any wire or we need prying or twisting of wires, we use this. And then we have the new digital thermostat. And with that, it comes with new numerates and some mounting screws. We're also going to keep the instructions open. Anytime you're dealing with electrical, you do want some references handy so that we don't screw up too badly. So let's begin. Okay, before we begin any electrical project, what we need to do is turn off the power so that we don't shock ourselves or cause a fire. And we've already done that, so we can start the next step by removing the casing for the old one. Take our tester just to make sure there's no electricity flowing anywhere that we might burn ourselves. So, just wanted to point out, we have 3 sets of wires. There's 3 morettes. This is from the old thermostat. Very simple system. It's got 2 wires, and you can see from the new one there's 3 wires. So what we're going to do is follow the instructions on how to wire them. In this case, they actually have different color wiring, so we had to make sure we trace the right ones, which we've done earlier. And we're going to hook it up the way the instructions tells us. So we're just going to first disconnect it. Next thing we do, we're going to have to open this panel up so we can install it. We have the cover off with the instructions help which wires go where. The instructions actually say to put the black wire, which is the load on this thermostat, onto the black wire, but we've tested the wires and we found it actually goes to the brown wire in this case. So we're going to do that. So that in this case, the red would go onto the 2 wires. This is a neutral wire, which is what we have discovered through tracing. These 2 wires are. And then the top will go onto the black. Now that we have everything hooked up, we're going to test it first. And this particular model says that if we turn the breaker on, there will be a green light that switches on. So we're going to turn the breaker on now. And we have the green light, so it's hooked up properly. The final part of the installation is to push all the wires safely back into the wall, and then we're going to mount it. The thermostat's now successfully installed. As you can see, this project was simple, it was fast, and it's quick and easy, and anyone can do it. Thank you for watching.